Push lock, unlock, lock. Give it a couple seconds here and the ignition will turn on like so. And then give it a few more seconds and she'll crank up. Alright guys, so to install the harness, you're going to basically unplug the main ignition harness that's behind the key cylinder. It is right back up in here. So once you get it unplugged, you're going to grab our T-harness here, install this portion back into the cylinder, and then the factory connector will plug into here. So let me do that and I will show you what it looks like. So once you guys have the ignition harness hooked up, go ahead and grab the other end, which is the OBD2. It goes right down here, and you're going to unplug the connector from the back side, which looks like so. And then you're going to go ahead and plug our T-harness in line and plug it right back in. So once you guys have the complete harness installed, which are just the two T-harnesses, we're going to go ahead and program the module real quick. So on the back side, go ahead and plug the red connector and the white connector in. On the front side, plug the larger white connector in. The blue one you're not going to use. This is going to be for a cell phone module if any of you want to add that on at a later date. And or if you buy it at the same time, you can just plug it right into here. So we're going to tuck that guy away. The little 4-pin black one, you're going to hold the button, plug this in. The light's going to cycle here, and it's going to keep continuing cycling. So we're going to release it when it's solid blue, and I'll let it come back around. At this point, it stays solid blue, so go ahead and take one of your keys here, and all you're going to do is put it in the ignition cylinder and turn ignition on. Do not start the car, just turn it on. Give it about 10 seconds, this light will turn blue, like that. And then you can turn it off, and you're good to go. So now on the factory key fob, you're going to push lock, unlock, lock. You'll see the red light come on. A few seconds later, the orange light will come on, and then a few seconds later, the car will crank. So there is a slight delay between ignition turning on and the crank. That's just how it works on the Interceptors. And there we go. If you guys have any questions, holler at us. You can turn it off by hitting the same sequence on the key fob. So lock, unlock, lock, and you'll see the module power down. Alright guys, on the Interceptor, you're going to take the factory key fob and you're going to push lock, unlock, lock. Give it a couple seconds here and the ignition will turn on like so. And then give it a few more seconds and she'll crank up. So wherever your air conditioner or heater was set to when you guys got out, that's what's going to kick on with remote start. You can set it to defrost, heat, floor, whatever you guys want. So the door does remain locked. So when you come out, you basically push the unlock button. You get in, the car will stay running. And to drive away, you basically put your key in, turn it 2 clicks, and now you can push the brake pedal down here and pull it out of park and drive away.